Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at Ethereum coming in at number 2. For Ethereum against BTC, we're looking at it on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, okay, you can see that there's a huge big red body candlestick. This means that there is significant selling pressure pulling the price of Ethereum lower. And after that, last week we closed with long-legged dojis. Ethereum BTC is a long-legged pair. Long-legged sounds like a pirate. Ethereum long-legged BTC, the nickname that you give a pirate. But anyway, it's Ethereum pirate. Anyway, for Ethereum against BTC, yeah, this is actually indecision. But if you look at the preceding trend, okay, let's move to the daily. If you look at the preceding trend, it's actually bearish. So more likely than not, we are expecting more downside to come for Ethereum against BTC. The only question that we have for Ethereum against BTC is, are we going to get a very nice symmetrical triangle over here, and then we see some sort of a breakout, boom, we go higher, or do we start reversing back here, right? Back down. To be honest, it would be great if Ethereum could just come back down for a little while, form a wave C, right? We get an A, a B, a C, a D, a E, an even bigger one. Oh, this will be crazy, absolute craziness when the time comes for Ethereum to go parabolic. But of course, we could just form consolidation over here, and we slowly crawl our way up, and up and up and up. Yeah, we could do that as well. It's just that, yeah, we're not too sure what's happening with Ethereum at this point of time. I would still anticipate a consolidation and an eventual break for Ethereum against BTC. Ethereum against USDT. Yeah, we still have a target over here at 666. And that's why we were saying last week is that Ethereum is going to hell because we have a 666 target. So I think the only reason for us to go to 666 is if Bitcoin starts dropping to 13K, right? If Bitcoin starts dropping to 13K, then yeah, more likely than not 666. However, I don't see the chart pattern that brings us to 666. Not yet, not at this point of time. All I see is an A, B, C. Are we gonna get a D and an E, right? And then this could actually be the beginnings of a consolidation that would potentially bring us to 666. Not too sure myself. And this whole thing could be an A, B, C, D. We drop all the way down to 666. Possible. It's absolutely possible. Or we could just drop, a little bit lower, not 666, and after that we start reversing, right? Again, I just don't see the smaller continuation chart pattern that brings us to 666. Not yet, because we could just start reversing from here, right? If you pull out the Fibonacci retracement tool, we're very close to 0.618, so we might just dip a little bit. We could consolidate over here, form some sort of an ascending triangle, right? Value 1, value 2, value 3, and then we go crazy. We break up above the skinny pink line. Something like that could happen as well. Bullishly, right? We are plotting all the possibilities of what could happen to Ethereum against USDT. We're plotting all the possibilities because as a trader, you want to be aware and be alert of the potential possibility of things going wrong, right? You could be buyers bearish, but things could just start switching bullish just like that. There could be some external factors that we may not have seen or accounted for, and so it always pays to cover all your bases. And for Ethereum, this is the bullish possibility. The bearish possibility is again mountain ranges. We'll more likely than not know once we start seeing mountains, right? Right, again, we have to see the mountains. So there could be a long drawn out consolidation, possibly, and there's also a possibility we might not see any chart pattern and Ethereum could just hit lower. So the point is, we are not too sure at this point of time what's going to happen to Ethereum. Not at this point of time. We still have a downside target. We're still under the skinny pink line, so we're still largely bearish for Ethereum. And until we see signs of things turning bullish, we will still remain bearish for Ethereum. Alright, I guess that's it for my Ethereum technical analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one, which is BNB. See you. Bye.